Imagine a world where travel is no longer about moving from one place to another, but about living inside the future itself. What you see before you is not just a motorhome. It is a double-story, rolling masterpiece, a futuristic mansion on wheels, crafted with aerospace precision and luxury beyond imagination. From the very first glance, the towering panoramic windows, the armored glass cockpit, and the glowing LED hypercar-inspired grille command your attention. This is not just transportation, this is an experience. Stay with me, because what's inside will absolutely blow your mind. Exterior hero shots, close angles. Every curve of this motorhome tells a story of engineering genius. Chrome accents flow seamlessly along its body. Neon rail lights crown the rooftop sky deck. And as the sun sets, cinematic reflections bring it alive like a starship touching down on Earth. It is bold. It is commanding. It is unlike anything you've ever seen before. But don't go anywhere. We're about to step inside. And trust me, you've never seen a cockpit like this. And just wait. As the journey unfolds, luxury follows you. Enter the bedroom, a sanctuary floating above the ordinary. Walls of panoramic smart glass shift from transparent to private at the touch of a finger. A holographic control panel hovers at your fingertips, while a futuristic wine cooler and smart cabinets keep everything in perfect order. This is culinary elegance designed for the next century. And if you think the kitchen is impressive, the lounge is about to redefine comfort forever. Travel is meant to be lived in comfort. And this motorhome redefines what a lounge can be. Here, the atmosphere mirrors a private jet cabin. It's cinematic, it's futuristic. It's a lounge that makes the world outside feel like part of the design. But hold on, if you think relaxing here is special, wait until you see how dining becomes an experience of pure theater. And when it's time to dine, luxury takes a seat at the table. A glass dining table glows from within, casting a radiant light across sculpted chrome chairs finished in rich leather. And before we close, get ready, because the final view, the full exterior hero shot, is going to take your breath away. And finally, step back and witness it in all its glory. A double-story motorhome, engineered with aerospace curves, crowned with a rooftop sky deck glowing in neon brilliance, shot head-on, bathed in the golden hour glow. It looks less like a vehicle and more like a vision from the future itself.